So this is a very interesting question. Is 5 a day enough? And the question is, enough for what? Well, I was my grandmother, I'd say it keeps you regular. But what I'm actually thinking about here is the slowing or prevention of non-communicable diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, as you've heard consistently. And 5 a day is referring to 5 portions of fruit or vegetables, of around 80 grams per portion. So those are my assumptions. Yep. So I am going to set you an exam, as so many others have done, and I would like to know what you think. How many of you think that 5 a day is enough, what we should be recommending the population? Can you raise your hands? There's a few. How many think that it isn't enough? So there's a lot more there. And how many don't think we don't have a clue? And a handful. Okay.